when you want something, get it immediately and don't regret.
To know what happens when the world ends. At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
Good morning. So I just woke up and I finished my morning devotion. Today's Sunday, so I decided to do like a little Sunday reset, and I also need some vegetables, so I'm either going to walk and get it from the shop or probably just Uber it because there's a lot of things that I want to get, but I don't think I can get in my local grocery store. I have to get from a bigger store. That's the plan for today. I'm just going to like change my sheets, vacuum my bed because I really need to vacuum my mattress. Since I haven't done my hair in the last few months, my hair is shedding everywhere, so that's like one thing I've been struggling with in my room. My hair is like always everywhere. So my mom already helped me with laundry yesterday since I was at work, so I'm just going to do these sheets. Those are the only laundry I have left. But right now, first things first, I'm going to go and make matcha because I just need something to wake me up this morning, and I don't drink coffee, so that'll be my morning pick me up, and then I'm going to see what I can get done today. So I've been informed that I don't have battery on my phone, so I'm going to do this quickly. I got this package from Zara today and I already opened it, but I'd like to show you guys what I got. They had a mini sale and I've been looking for an everyday bag to get, so I got one for myself. The one I've been looking at for weeks was literally sold out the day I decided I made up my mind to buy it. So more of the lesson is when you want something, get it immediately and don't regret. So this is the one I got. I still like this one though, but I would have preferred the other one. It's just a regular black crossbody bag. I really like that it has the scarf handle, scarf detail on it. Obviously it's like padded inside. Oh, so it came with another handle, so I can change the scarf handle if I want to, and that's a good thing because then I can wash the other scarf handle if it ever gets dirty or stained. And it's just like paper, and this is what the purse looks like. It has this magnet here and then the regular clip thing that is usually in front of purses, and then this is it. Oh, now I kind of wish that this was like a little pouch because it really looks nice. So yeah, this is the bag I got, and then I got two other things because I can't stop myself when it comes to perfume. So I got this Woman Gold, this one, and it looks like this. I really like it. So I like this one, but not as much as the other one. And this one's very like, it just gives me party vibes, like going out in the evening kind of vibe. This is what this is giving me. And the second one, because I got two, this one's is Twilight Mauve, and this is more summery. It's a very like, on camera you can't see it, but it's like a light lilac color. This one is more summery. This one's the summery scent out of the two. This is more like muted day scent. scent, like floral, but this one's more serious. I feel like this is businessy, like events. When I smell this, I think events, I think business, I think work. Then when I smell this, I think of like a day in the garden or something, like just going out for summer. That's what this scent is. And yeah, that's my mini haul. I just spent my day reading. I took the back off of this, but I started this the Grounders Games, so it's a continuation. If you know the series that I was reading earlier this year, I've finally gotten into it again. I'm pretty sure the new part should be out. I was just waiting for like a new part to be out because I don't want to read and then like stop for a year or something. So that's why I decided to keep this. I've got this a few months ago and a new part has come out, so I know that once I finish this, I'm going straight into another part, and I'm just excited to read. So yeah, that's my mini haul. I have to clean up my mess, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. My phone keeps alerting me that my storage is full and I have over 50 gigabytes, so I don't know what that is about with the iPhone, and this is not the first time. That's why like some of my clips, it just ends abruptly, like I stopped talking, but I really didn't. My phone just stopped recording. That's the issue. It's me. Hi. So I'm going to place this two and give them a new home on my table. Yeah, there's really nowhere else I can put this for now. My perfume collection keeps growing, and I never thought I'll be a perfume collector, but here we are. I was thinking of redecorating my room this fall, but I don't think I would. I don't really... It's nice when I see inspiration online, but honestly, I don't think I have the time or the energy. I really don't want to waste money on unnecessary things, so I'm still fighting with that idea in my head, but I know I'm not going to do it, so